You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is 0.5, -4. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 5, y1 equals -31. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals -4, y2 equals 23. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x1 equals 5. x2 equals -4. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y1 equals -31. y2 equals 23. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is 0.5, -4.